question. Would you rather feel determined or would you rather feel the opposite? Would you prefer getting results in life or would you want to do the opposite? Mediocrity, right? Results feel good. How much clean time do we got?
Almost 90 days.
90 days, that feels good. That's results from making a decision. The meaning of the word decision comes from decidere, okay? It's a Latin, that is the Latin root of this word. It literally means day, means off, and cidere means cut. So it literally means off cut, but for us in English we would say cut it off. So when you made the decisions, you literally had to do what? What'd you cut off?
And my whole life, everything.
What'd you have to cut off to make the decisions you got to get to 90 days? Toxic people. So when we make decisions, the literal word is to cut off. But it's a little more powerful word than that. We'll get to that in just a second. To decide literally means to cut off everything except the things that matter most. So what matters most? Put them over here. What doesn't matter, what doesn't work, you cut it off, you throw the shit. What do you want most out of life? Happiness. That's a good one. Gary Vee says it all the time in every one of his opening credits.
I just want to be happy. Don't you want to be happy?
I do. What about you, Keith?
I want to be there for the people that care about me.
That's a good one. That's an important one too, because you have to really focus. To be there for somebody, you have to be the right frame of mind. You got to be in the right shape. You got to have your stuff together. And to do that, you have to make a decision of what's most important. To be there is going to require a lot of cutting off. The things you will not compromise and do. Now the cool thing about this word, this is why I put it in this term. You have to commit, decide, to kill. And do you know what other word that this word is related to? This is how drastic and powerful and meaningful this word is. When you choose something in life to be the most important and the things that you need to cut off, it's not like, I just need to shove them aside. Like you literally need to cut these things off and kill them. Homicide, suicide, genocide. All these words are related to this word. And so when you make a decision and you decide, you're committing homicide on the things you don't want.
Wow.